Hi, this is Tony Grant from feedmeleads.org. We spoke on the phone and I told you I would send you this screencast. And so here it is. Sorry about the previous version. I don't know what happened. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I just want to go over how I would get your site ranked. So I send out screencasts with a bunch of free information to different business owners, but often when they see what I do, how I do it, how much work I put into it, they'll want to team up afterwards. So if you want to watch this and feel the same, I can be reached through Devour, Devour, at feedmeleads.org. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So here I am on your homepage. You can see it's a nice looking site. You guys have definitely spent some time and money on it. However, I do notice that there's very little content. By content in the industry, it's just words. How many words? What's your word count is? So the verbiage. Google is going to be ranking your website based on around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. Now, this is, I know, you have a beautiful product, you have great pictures, looks really cool, but Google doesn't understand any of that. They have their algorithms as a one-size-fits-all generic algorithm judgment for how the website is doing, and the content is important. I did do a word count on your website, and what I get is 389 words. So that's so we would definitely want to add in some more content on here. We also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google's going to send out their bots, crawl through your site, and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users. And so out of here, I've popped onto Google, and what we would see here typically would be top of the sign would be all the Google ads. Here we don't have any showing right now, but down here we have the map, as you'll notice, and below the map is there are 3 businesses that Google has chosen to appear on the map. The little red marks here. In order to get these to be put on this the map pack, as they call it, there's a lot of factors as you would imagine from Google, but a very important one is citations. A citation is when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Yext are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more directories than these 3 businesses are here. So I'm going to scroll down here and take you to the organic search, what they call the organic search section. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something onto the search bar, they're going to click on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to click on one of the top ones. In addition to good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered and relevant backlinks. A backlink is a clickable text on another website that when somebody clicks on it, it leads back to your website, basically like a shout-out. You want to get these backlinks in from high-powered and relevant websites. Over here, I've hopped into here we go. Ahrefs. Ahrefs, so it's Ahref. Does an excellent job in all kinds of ways, all kinds of links, all kinds of, examining all aspects of your site. Right now, I've locked into the quick links just to give you an idea of how just one particular example would work. In this particular, you see that the domain rating over here on the top left is 0. So this is what Sacramento Vehicle Wraps does, right? So they could be better, right? It's 0 out of 100, so 100 being best. They have 76 backlinks. Well, except you look down here at the backlinks that they have, and up at the top, they're all from Sacramento Vehicle Wraps. Every one of them here is from themselves. And even worse, they have a lot of no follow categorization here, where the people have chosen to retain their link to themselves. You can't copy their link. You have to go to their website to link on it. And understandably, Google ranks this much less. They're not getting a lot of benefit from these backlinks, as you can see from their domain rating of 0. I'm going to go ahead and just show you your page, right? So this is RFs. This has Premium Glass and Tint. And you guys have a 0.1 domain rating, which is better than 0, but still it's out of 100. And you guys have 836 backlinks. But notice here too, they're all from Premium Glass and Tint. All the top ones are from yourself. And again, we see the no follow. So you can see how difficult it is to keep track of all this stuff and what the rules are and who knows what. So that's where we come in. And we have expert teams that follow, that do all this stuff. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up now and do the recap what it is we've talked about. So number one, add more content and make sure it has location-specific buyer intent keywords that bring in a lot of traffic. Number two, more citations can get you ranked on the map pack. And three, more high-powered relevant backlinks, which we can also help you go through. It can be quite a bit of work, but we have a dedicated team that do it very well. If you're interested in following up, please give me a shout out to Devour, DEVOUR, at feedmeleads.org. Thanks very much.